Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Get a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter or the 3.5mm headset path. Plug a Bluetooth dongle into a Ps5 USB port or prepare the controller and a TRRS adapter for wired routing. Once done, put your AirPods in pairing mode by holding the case button until the LED flashes. On Ps5, open Settings, then Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories to add the dongle or AirPods paired device. Start the connection now so you can move to audio routing. Once the accessory is connected, navigate to Settings, Sound, and choose Microphone to select the new input. If using a Bluetooth dongle that presents a mic, select it. If using the wired controller method, pick Headset Controller. Then set microphone level and enable Reduce Background Noise if needed. Make sure output device routes chat audio to your AirPods, otherwise switch output device to headphones. Your balancing captures sensitivity and clarity. Test with Party Chat to confirm levels before gameplay. To finish, join a party or record short audio to verify both input and output. If audio is low or missing, first disconnect and repair the AirPods, then unplug and reinsert the USB dongle. Reboot the Ps5 if necessary. Make sure the controller firmware is current and that the Ps5 system software hasn't reset audio preferences. Key troubleshooting tip: if standard dongles fail, use a dongle advertised for consoles with mic support. Many generic Bluetooth adapters do not carry microphones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.